Yo guys, what's up? I want to try something different. I want to recreate a poster design I see online under 1 hour. So like no fancy stuff. Just do what I see is what I recreate again. And so I went under Pinterest and I was looking for inspirations and the likes, and I found this one. I copied it, put it to Figma, and yeah, this is the frame we'll be using. Let's get started. So let's just make this one as big as this. There's a logo here, there's text here, and there's a pattern in the background with some noise. So pattern, and the pattern is like looks African pattern somehow. So if you want to find some African patterns, we'll just go to let's see, free pick. Yeah, give out those. But if you tap on it, we'll see more of it, more of the same style, or not. In the meantime, let's get the fonts right. Now, how do we do this 3D stuff? I have no idea. We can just search YouTube. So let's copy the duplicate here, and we're going to frame flatten this one. And we're going to look for oblique. Let's just focus on getting the background right now. The TV, really TV. Yeah, I finished 56 minutes, 21 seconds. Like, bro, tell me, what do you think? Let me in the comments. How long did I do in 1 hour? I don't know, it's terrible. Okay, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.